Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. My heart is filled with joy looking at the hen of this Rhode Island, and I call her Helen. It's close to the hen, so I named her Helen. I'm so happy because she was able to nurse the babies that are not hers. Actually, these are ducklings that she was able to hatch, and she thought that these babies are hers. And I'm so amazed because these Rhode Island red chickens are not incubating their eggs actually. But this Helen is very exceptional. She was able to hatch more than 10 eggs on different dates. And I think Helen would be good for us to produce some babies in order to start up with our big farm of chickens. You can absolutely raise ducklings under a chicken. A mother hen will try to look after anything she hatches, but it isn't easy as it does require some planning. It can be frustrating for the mother hen as the ducklings don't understand her like chicks would. As chicks and ducks hatch, they become attached to their mothers right away. These babies need to follow their mothers around closely to remain safe and learn how to get along in life. If a hen sits on a duck egg and the baby ducks see the hen upon hatching, the ducks imprint on that hen and look that hen as its mother. Look at Helen. She is taking care of 3 ducklings. I am really very happy because these ducklings follow the commands of Helen. But I can see Helen too much concerned for the ducklings when they're gonna take a bath. Helen knows that chickens do not take a bath like this. She is really worried about the behaviors of her babies. She tries to call them away from the water, but it seems that the ducklings do not understand. Ducks' nature really is to swim, which is very dangerous for chickens. Chickens don't have the capacity to swim in deep waters, especially the young ones. And I think this is what Helen is actually very concerned about. Days ago, I intentionally put 5 eggs of these ducks on Helen, who was sitting on her eggs for hatching. She was not aware of this. Few days later, the eggs were hatched and she feels very awkward. But the ducklings just thought that Helen is a mother. They were too confident and feel secured under Helen's care. Ducks' behavior is totally different from chickens. They love to swim in deep waters. They have the capacity to survive in cold temperature, which chickens do not. I try to pasture them in big areas. The ducklings are actually enjoying, but the chicks are seemingly afraid. So this big area is my future farm for the ducks and chickens. They will be finally settled here for good. Though this will entail a lot of expenses, but I'm pretty sure that we can do this little by little by the grace of God. I have here a couple of ornamental chickens, and they are called silkies. And I'm so happy to start up with the farming of these ornamental chickens since we have this pet shop business. And this can be a good source of income because this ornamental chickens doesn't require high maintenance. They eat only small amount of food because they are small chickens. And I'm very positive about this business because personally, I really like chickens. And I love to pet them, especially those ones that are small, like the bantam chickens and this silkies chickens. And my routine every morning is actually to pasture them, to look after them before I'll go to the office. Animals had been part of man's life, and biblically, of course, I know that these animals are made by God for human beings to take care. And I'm so happy about this accountability of men towards the animals. And I can relate the responsibility of men towards the animals because these animals are actually helpless, and we have to provide them with their food. We have to respect them and provide them with good shelter. And this is my vision. For the next couple of months, I believe that we can start again a beautiful farm of chickens, of fish, and other farm animals. And please be with me with this journey. This is a very ambitious journey now since it entails a lot of capital and budget. But I believe that if we will keep on dreaming and consistent about the things that we desire and keep the flame burning deep inside in our hearts, we can accomplish everything that we needed to accomplish and acquire those things which we desired. So these are the things that we can share. I hope that you will continue to like and share our videos, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, may we humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we are uploading videos every 2 to 3 days now. Only here at Dexter's World. Shout out to the members of this channel. See you in my next video.